is Ahtesham and I am from India. I have been graduated from Raipur, Chhattisgarh in BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. In the past, after completing my graduation, I was working with my father and helping him out in his business for hotels and restaurants and clothing line. And after that, I worked like 3 to 4 years or maybe 5 years with him, and then I realized it's not my cup of tea. So I just came across digital marketing. I started looking for some really good courses which would help me build a future in digital marketing. And then I came across London School of Digital Marketing. So here I decided to pursue postgraduate diploma in digital marketing. I have been working with my father in his business in the past. So in related to that, I started building a website, which I learned from this course. I built a website for my restaurant, and with I also made some social media marketing. I did some social media marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, which gave me really good results. The impressions were like 1 million plus. The reach was like 600,000. And also I made some Google ads, Google display ads, which also really helped my business really well. I also helped my father in making some content so that it could improve my business as well as connect with people, so that it could generate more revenue. And it's going really well. It's helping a lot, and even the website, the results are really quite nice and the reviews are really good. Whatever feedback I received from my teachers, it's really amazing. Particularly, I was looking for certain topics to study. I looked for like at least 15 to 20 other schools and colleges which could help me build my career in digital marketing. But London School of Digital Marketing was the only one where I found every topics which could cover, like SEOs, affiliate marketing, product and project management, and Google Ads, Google Analytics, website building. Like, it's a whole package which was really helpful for building up my skills and improving it. So I think this was one of the reasons why I chose. And also what I came across here is it was not like a lecture kind of thing. It was more like one-to-one conversation where we could really go through every kind of ideas and get to talk to our teachers like in a friendly way, and it was pretty much easy to learn. Like, it was really no effort. First, when I applied, I was not really sure about the practical part, so I knew I would get to learn all the necessary things I need to build up a business or get a job. But what I did not know was it was more of a hands-on thing. Like, every topic we have been taught, it was completely practical, and it really helped me to, get practice on real life projects like we did on social media marketing, like building a website on our own. Also in product and project management, it was really nice, and it was more than my expectations, because what I was already doing with my business back at home, it was not really giving me joy, I would say. And it was like a hassle for me. It was just a task, like you need to do this and that every day. You wake up, you just have certain types of thing, which was not really my thing to do. So I just wanted some kind of job or some kind of work which I could do from any part of the world with just my laptop. So that's when I decided I would just go with digital marketing, which would help me build my career in my own way. At initial stage, I was really worried if I could, learn any kind of skill or not, because it takes certain amount of time and practice. But with every class, it was improvement and improvement. There was no looking back. Even while building a website, I was not really sure what I was doing because it seemed quite difficult for me. But with every class, it went really smooth. And by today, I'll be launching my website in a private domain, which I already bought. So it was really pretty easy. What I thought was not really the case. Also, if I talk about Google Ads, it's a really deep topic. Like you have to go through every step, every details in it. So when we started it, it was really looking tough for us to go through, but only initiation is the problem. Once you start doing it, it goes really easy. This was obviously my first time doing anything, and just because of my teachers, Marriott, Steph, oh, they're amazing, amazing. I've never had such great teachers, honestly. I think social media marketing, I find it really easy, honestly. If you really want to create a campaign or an ad for Facebook or Instagram, you can do it at once. So, I mean, you don't really need to make a certain campaign for Facebook and then for Instagram. You have to do it all at once. And I think I have mastered it pretty well because I have practiced it with my own business as well as what we got real life projects, as well as I did some of my friends' work as well. So I have practiced it a lot. So I think this is my thing to really start on my digital marketing work with. It's a great exposure for me, I would say, because coming back from a place where I come from, a very small city, though it's a capital, but there is really many missing points and very small world, I would say. Come to London, it's a really long way home. So yeah, and here I have met a lot of people just because of this course alone. I have met certain people which are from different backgrounds, which have been doing great work in their field of line and career, which I never knew. Meeting new people, getting to know about their business, and then just by meeting them, I get to understand how I can really help my own career to grow. And it's a really learning stage for me. Yeah, I've learned really a lot. My initial aim was pretty much the same as it is now. Like, I want to open my own digital marketing agency or a company which I could operate from, like I said, any part of the world. But from this stage, after completing my course, I really want to refurbish it and, master it. So that needs practice. And for that, I would really start with internship or job, whichever I could get my hands on. And then when I feel confident, I will really like to open my own company somewhere, some part of the world we don't know. I would say choose a course which has as long duration as you can go to, because the more you learn, the more you own great skills. So I would just recommend to go for post-graduation diploma in digital marketing, because that covers whole lot of topics which you can choose, and you can also choose different paths and depending on what topic you are interested in, and also as a whole as well. So I would really recommend the course I myself is pursuing. And also there are many short courses as well, which if a person has less time or they would want to start right away,